Now, I'm going to show you how to add an RSVP form to the button. Open the RSVP form template link. This is the one I'll be sharing with buyers of my template. Click Use Template. To customize, in the top right corner, click the Customize Theme. Here you can change the header photo, the font style and size, and the color theme of the form. For the header photo, you can either use the photos from Google, or you can upload your own. As you can see, Google will automatically match the form colors to your header image. You can also manually adjust the colors if you like. Now, you can customize the basic details of the form, such as names, date, and contact information. Add the email address where you want to get all your guests' inquiries. As you can see, I've added the standard wedding RSVP questions, but you can change them up if you want. Don't forget to double-check your form settings. Go to the Responses tab and click Link to Sheets to save all guest responses in a Google Sheet. All your guests' responses will be saved here, and you can check them whenever you like. Let's see the preview of the form to check all the details. Once you're finished checking, click Publish to generate the link. Then, return to Canva and paste the link to your RSVP form. Let's now check if the link is working. There you have it. We've successfully updated the RSVP link. Need more Canva website ideas? Hit subscribe on My Joyful Art. Thanks for tuning in.